What's up, you guys? It's your girl April Monet here, and I'm here with a highly anticipated video. I know a lot of you had been swiping up on my social media asking me to do a tutorial on stack jeans / extendo jeans, so that's what I brought you. Before we can get into the video, I wanted to let you guys know that I will be bringing more content onto my channel, so expect to see things such as clothing hauls, wig reviews, makeup tutorial, even things such as a Q&A video. I know you guys haven't really gotten the chance to know me, and I wanted to do something about that. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
All you're going to need for this project is 2 pairs of jeans. Mine happen to be the same pair, but as long as they are the same color, you should be good. Here, I'm just cutting one pants leg at a time to make sure everything is straight and flawless. The next thing you're going to want to do is cut the hem off the bottom of the jeans. This will allow you to have a smooth finish when you sew. So before I sewed anything into place, I decided to try on the stacked part of the jeans just to make sure everything fell the way I wanted it to. Here I'm just playing around with where I want the stacked part of the jean to fall on my leg. Once the jeans were the way I liked them, I pinned everything into place, making sure that the outside seams of the jeans and the stack part aligned. So because my jeans were 2 different sizes, my inside seam didn't align, but it didn't bother me. So here I am just flipping the stacked part upward and cutting the excess jean off. As I said before, I had pinned everything in place before I started to sew, but I left a small amount of jean just in case I wanted to move the stacked part lower. I removed the body of my sewing machine and slid the jeans onto the machine, using a zigzag stitch to sew. A key thing to remember is to rotate the pants as you sew to make sure there are no mishaps. And here is the finished look.